this is the nasi lemak. It's rice cooked with coconut milk. Okay. So the basic serving nasi lemak, it comes with peanuts. Anyone allergy with peanuts, please let us know.
Baru-baru ini tular sebuah video di media sosial yang memaparkan aksi mesra seorang peniaga tempatan melayan pelancong dari Kanada ketika memperkenalkan nasi lemak. Peniaga tersebut meraih pujian warga maya kerana kelancarannya menerangkan ramuan serta keunikan nasi lemak dalam bahasa Inggeris yang sangat fasih dan jelas. Kesungguhan beliau mempromosikan hidangan kebangsaan dengan penuh karisma mengundang reaksi positif netizen yang menyifatkannya sebagai wakil tidak rasmi pelancongan negara. Pelancong berkenaan turut dilihat teruja dan berpuas hati dengan layanan mesra serta penerangan terperinci yang diberikan. Situasi itu secara tidak langsung mencerminkan tahap hospitality tinggi rakyat Malaysia selain menunjukkan bagaimana makanan tradisional mampu menjadi jambatan budaya antara negara.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Welcome to Nasi Lemak Lemanja. Where are you guys from?
Canada.
Canada, I see. Alright. You want to try one Nasi Lemak here? For breakfast, okay. Have you tried Nasi Lemak before? First experience. Alright. Thank you for choosing Lemanja for your first experience. Same group? Oh? Wow, alright. We have big group from Canada. We are live on TikTok.
Oh, you can.
Yeah. One big group from Canada. Thank you, thank you. Alright guys, okay, basically this is the nasi lemak. It's rice cooked with coconut milk. Okay, so the basic serving nasi lemak, it comes with peanuts. Anyone allergy with peanuts, please let us know, so we can skip the peanuts. Second garnish will be the fried anchovy. Okay, fried anchovy, slightly salty. Alright. And to balance your nasi lemak serving, we serve with cucumber. Okay, cucumber. And for lemanja, nasi lemak lemanja, we serve our nasi lemak with water spinach. Not all nasi lemak serve with water spinach, but here we serve with water spinach. We call it kangkung here. Okay, here you can choose fried egg, hard-boiled egg. Which one you want? Whose one is this first? Okay, fried egg. Alright. Okay, done. And to complete the nasi lemak, the spicy sambal is the must. Yeah, so later when you enjoy your nasi lemak, it is nice for you to mix.
Okay.
Alright, the cutleries will be there. You want to add any extra dishes or you just want to try the original? It's your call, up to you. We have beef lungs. Our beef rendang finished already, I'm so sorry. We have chicken rendang, chicken chili, we have sambal prawn, also not that many. Wings, okay?
Sure. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Alright.
This is so good.
Okay, done. Alright. Enjoy your breakfast. Okay, next. Alright, peanuts. Anchovy, cucumber, water spinach. Okay, wait. Okay, spicy sambal. Alright, next. Mimpat. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Peanuts, anchovy, water spinach. Wait. Okay, spicy sambal. Yes, wait, yes, okay. That one is potato. Also potato, this one is side dish. Yeah, it's also potato. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Hi, good morning. Welcome to Nasi Lemak Lemanja.
Hello, morning.
Nasi lemak basic item will be peanuts, fried anchovy, cucumber, and water spinach. Oh, okay? Okay. Fantastic. You are the boss. Where are you guys from?
Spain, Portugal.
Oh, alright, Europe. Australia? Oh, okay. Have you tried nasi lemak before or this is the first time?
We have, it's never
First time boiled egg or fried egg? All right.
Actually, I will have
Okay. All right.
Ah, we got you live.
We are on TikTok. Yeah. Feel free to follow us and you will see yourself. So our sambal is a little bit spicy. Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'll put it at the side. It's not potato. This is also inside sardine.
Okay, I'll try one of them.
Okay, for this one you can put it there.
Okay.
So for your nasi lemak, will be the basic only or any extra dishes? The basic. Okay, now this is for you. Enjoy your breakfast. Calories over there. So right now your turn.
Hey man, give us have next cucumber. Setting rendang.
Yes. Rendang, but this one finished already. This is beef rendang finished. Chicken rendang still there.
Okay, yeah, I'll get chicken rendang.
Sure. No cucumber for you, right?
And a fried egg.
You also fry egg. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Calories over there. Okay, who's next? Sorry? You want with the rendang, but you want with it. Okay. This one, everything okay?
I ordered this already. Most of
Spicy sambal? I put it here. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Sure. But for your chicken rendang, we... Okay, alright. Okay, fried egg. Yeah, sorry. There you go. We will put the basic item first, then you choose if you want to add on some extra dishes. You don't want spicy or you want spicy? Okay. Okay, yes, how can we help you?
I don't know, I'm hungry.
Okay, we serve nasi lemak, our Malaysia famous breakfast. Okay, good. Yes, correct. Then you choose. We will put the basic item first, then you choose if you want to add on some extra dishes.
Okay.
So let me just make the basic first for you, yeah? Where are you guys from? Sorry?
Poland.
Poland. Okay, so the basic item will be the fried anchovy, peanuts, hard-boiled egg.
Do you have anything spicy?
Yes, sambal is spicy. You don't want spicy or you want spicy? Okay. So I just show you the basic first. This is the standard basic item first, and then you decide whatever extra item that you want. This is beef lungs.
Okay.
This is beef rendang. This is chicken rendang. This is fried beef. Chicken chili. Fried chicken.
I'll have the beef and the vegetarian.
Beef rendang, yeah?
Some of the vegetarian.
Yeah, of course. I put at the side, like this. Okay, calories will be over there.